Hola, buenos noches from Cusco, Peru. Today I'm back with another food vlog and maybe the most interesting one I've done to date. I'm gonna be trying a local dish called cuy, which is a guinea pig. Now, most of you might say, Drew, you're crazy for even trying this, but I have to try it because it is the most well-renowned dish here in Cusco. It's a famous dish that they make in the Andes region of Peru. So I am here at Pachapapa, which is the most famous place to try cuy in Cusco. So I figure I gotta give it a shot. So let's head on in and order up a guinea pig and give this a whirl. Okay, so just sat down inside and placed the order of the roasted guinea pig. Now, keep in mind when you're planning to come here and order this, it takes 1 hour for it to cook. So maybe come a little bit earlier, place the order, and then sit back, relax, maybe have an appetizer. But anyways, my chef said that he's gonna give me an inside look on how they put the pig into the oven. So let's take a look. Okay, so now we're getting an inside look at how they prepare the guinea pig. So,
this is the first time we put the guinea pig. You can see the rock inside the guinea pig.
Okay,
is the rock is for.
So they put a
yes,
put a rock inside to help it cook inside. Okay.
More cook. We put a huacatai. You can see the green. It's a huacatai. It's a local herb. It's like a muña, it's like a coca leaves.
Okay.
But the huacatai is especially for the guinea pig. Then they put it in the oven. It's cooked for 1 hour.
Sweet. All right.
Yeah, okay. So
let's throw her in.
This is a chef. It's Scott.
Yeah, go for it.
This is especially chef for the guinea pig.
Wow, this is wild. And the oven is just right out here in sort of the middle of the restaurant setting. So pretty cool.
Okay, my name is John.
Nice to meet you, Yum. Let me touch on how the locals normally will eat this. So this is typically found on special occasions. So if there's ever a family gathering for something, you'll typically find cuy being served, and locals will come to Pachapapa on special occasions as well and enjoy cuy amongst big groups. So that's typically how it's found out here in Cusco, Peru. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so now they'll take the guinea pig back to the kitchen and cook it up for me to eat.
That's what they use for the guinea pig, sir.
Okay.
Usually we try the guinea pig with the hand.
Oh, so you'll eat this with your hands. Is that right? Okay. Okay, time to roll my sleeves up. So after they took it back to slice it up, we were ready to go. Here's what we have here. Guinea pig in the middle, and then a little bit of corn and potatoes on the side, as well as a little salad. So let's dig right in. I don't even know where to begin. You just sort of have to pick at it here. Here we go. Okay, so we have the skin here, and then the meat kind of just peels right off of the skin. And then you just dig in. It's not bad.
Really?
Literally just picking at the legs here. Holding the leg while eating the guinea pig. This is probably one of the most crazy things I've ever tried. Very, very heavily seasoned.
Is it?
So a lot of flavors in the meat. I don't know if you eat the skin. It's really tough. The skin is really tough. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to eat it. Do you eat the skin or no?
Of course, sir.
Yeah? Eat this?
Everything except the bone.
Really?
Even the skin.
Local people use the hand because the guinea pig presentation in the oven is possible eat all.
So eat
Really?
even though this is tough.
Yes, sir. You do.
Okay, so we do eat the skin.
Just this, all except the bones.
All right.
No, it's good, sir.
Oh my God.
That's crazy.
This is something else. Okay, so after the first few bites, we got a lot going on here. There's different textures of the meat, so it sort of tastes a little similar to like a chicken thigh, so like darker chicken, and then duck as well. Maybe like a combination of the two of those. But then you also have the skin as well that you can eat, which is really tough, but also super, super flavorful. But it is quite delicious. A lot different than I thought it would be, but in a good way. It's very, very delicious. I won't lie. And obviously, come prepared for a messy meal. It is very messy, but I think that's kind of part of the experience, is just picking and getting down and dirty and enjoying an interesting experience here. Also, another thing too, these potatoes and the corn, pretty good as well. It's a good complement to the meat of this, and everything kind of goes together very nicely on the dish. I would say overall this is very, very good and probably pretty worth it. If you can get past the whole like the guinea pig running around the house, you'll realize that it is a delicacy here, and they do celebrate special occasions with this, and it's a higher end meal to a lot of the locals here. Now in terms of price, this is 89 Peruvian soles, which equates to about 24 US dollars. You do get quite a lot of meat. I would recommend this for one person. If you're splitting it, you probably won't get as much meat, but overall I think it is definitely worth the price, and it is an experience in and of itself, picking all the meat with your hands. And so I do recommend trying this out when you're in Cusco. Okay, and I can't forget to add that Pachapapa, an amazing experience here. Definitely come here if you want to try this. The servers have been amazing. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Gracias.
my name is John.
Yes. Really do appreciate it, yeah.
Okay, sir. It's done. Did you like? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it was delicious. So as you can see, they're super, super friendly here. Let me come back and see how they prepare the cuy. And then they were just great throughout the whole experience. So if you want to try this, come to Pachapapa in Cusco. Okay, walking out, what an incredible experience that was. Probably the most unique dish I have ever tried. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I felt like I had to make one covering this interesting experience. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. And if you're ever in Cusco, make sure to go to Pachapapa and try the cuy. So we'll see you in the next video.